Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Well, after the release of the RS3 and the RS3 Pro in late 2022, I really thought there would be no additions to the Ronin series for the next 12 months. But then, DJI surprised us all with the release of the RS3 Mini. So let's dive right in and see exactly what this mini gimbal can do. As you can see right away, it is a lot smaller than its bigger brothers. In fact, it's 40% smaller than the RS3. To really give you an indicator of how much smaller it is, it's actually closer to the OM6 smartphone gimbal in size than it is to its bigger brothers. Now, despite that, it does have a max payload capacity of up to 2 kilograms, which is perfect for small mirrorless cameras like the Sony a7 III we're using here. We've actually got the G Master 24 to 70mm lens on this setup, and we're still within the 2 kilogram max payload. That's pretty awesome and pretty great for those content creators who want to keep their payloads and all the gear they're carrying quite small while still retaining amazing image quality. Just like all of its bigger brothers in the Ronin series, it delivers that professional, smooth, cinema-like, stabilized footage, which you can see here. Simply hold the trigger and I can move around and it's going to give me that amazingly smooth footage. Really, really great for anyone freelancing in the professional trade or even someone looking to get into that sort of field in the near future. The RS3 Mini has an inbuilt battery which will last up to 10 hours. It also weighs only 795 grams, so it is a lot lighter than its bigger brothers. The RS3 Mini sports a 1.4-inch touchscreen display for easy access to all your parameters and controls. If you haven't had a DJI Ronin before and you are looking to get one and you're a bit worried about will I be able to balance the camera on the gimbal, all of the axes actually have the option to lock, so you can focus on one axis balancing at a time, which is a really, really great feature brought in with the RS2s, which they have continued with your RS3 series. It features a lot of the same intelligent features just like its bigger brothers, which you can access through the DJI Ronin app, with the exception being the Active Track feature. When compared to its bigger brother, the RS3 Mini actually has a lot of the same features as the RS3. The difference being it does not have that Active Track feature or the ability to use the image transmission system. If those are important to you, it might be worth looking at the next step up in the Ronin series. Of course, we will be absolutely out of our mind not to mention the vertical shooting capability of the new RS3 Mini. This is fantastic for those social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and all those sorts of platforms. This allows you to shoot in portrait mode without having to crop in later, which is really, really helpful for anyone looking to shoot on those social media platforms. So who is the RS3 Mini for? It is quite simply the super accessible price point entry into the Ronin Professional series. If you want to get stabilized footage, cinematic footage, or amazing social media content, this is the gimbal for you. Well, that's about all we have time for our first look at the RS3 Mini today. We have these in stock and ready to rock, so you can reach out to any of our friendly staff in store or online to get yourself this awesome new gimbal. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you at the next unboxing video.